but Dr. Ashutosh Verma, Bihar में हुआ, the opposition had their reservations. They took these reservations to the court, which is the constitutional way, the democratic way of taking, redressal to anything that is not as per your liking or you have questions about it. But this whole fear-mongering and threatening that election commission officials will be seen, that they have to work in the state even after the central forces go, whether there should be riots because there is an SIR, this is a backdoor entry into NRC. Do you think this shows a certain amount of nervousness? Because the track record of Bengal and the track record of the India Alliance's silence on what happens in Bengal is very much evident to the people of India. I want to ask you, will you let this pass too just because she's an alliance partner? आपको ये सही लगता है?
Not at all, Navika ji. I think what Mamta ji is saying, it has to be responded by TMC spokesperson. But what Samajwadi Party is saying about this, I will explain you. And as a part of India Alliance partner, I will definitely say that Bengal is not out of India. Bengal is also ruled by Bharat. Bengal is a part of India, and the Home Minister has to see what lawlessness is there. If he has power, he can dismiss the government.
Slip हो गया आपका. Bengal is also ruled by भारतीय जनता पार्टी. बोलते बोलते आप रुक गए. थोड़ा Freudian slip.
It will not happen. It will not happen in 2026 also.
No, he's
अगर आप स्टेट पिक करने लगी और ऐसे होने लगा तो फिर हो गया. My question with
BJP tries to rule through governor.
Let me speak. Who is interfering me?
Congress as usual.
So the problem is this कि in 20
नहीं आप बोलिए आशुतोष जी.
May I speak or anyone else is speaking?
आप ही बोल रहे हैं. कांग्रेस वाले थोड़ा ज्यादा सीट लेने के चक्कर में.
2026 in 2026 there is a 5 states election is going to be on in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Pondicherry. But why election commission is not preparing SIR if they are saying that there is a very transparent process? So do in Goa, UK, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat. वहाँ पे election 2027 में है. So it will get an ample amount of time for both the electorals and Election Commission of India to file the affidavit, to make it more transparent and to make it more constitutionally correct procedure. Why they are in haste to do in a state where election is going to be within 6 months?
Fair question.
The problem is the Election Commission of India is basically creating a fear mongering among the electorals who are basically voters of the opposition or India Alliance. And I condemn Election Commission of India has to develop the trust among the electorals of India, not to make it more fear that you are going to be deprived for the citizenship or some others. We are living in a constitutional body. We have a constitutional framework, democratic framework where the trust is main thing. And now, after this vote chori and all this campaign, what the common people are saying that Election Commission of India is backing the Bharatiya Janata Party, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is a common conversation between the normal people.
Trust is an animal that I haven't seen too much between the opposition and the Modi Sarkar for a while. 11 साल हो गए, 11.5 साल हो गए, आपको ट्रस्ट कभी नजर ही नहीं आया. वॉर हो गए, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो गए, आपको कभी ट्रस्ट आया ही नहीं, हुआ ही नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी में. अब ट्रस्ट कहां से आएगा, ये कहां मिलता है मुझे पता नहीं. लेकिन सिद्धार्थ यादव जी, सवाल जो उठाए डॉक्टर आशुतोष वर्मा ने,
नहीं, एक मिनट नविका जी, एक मिनट, लेट मी कंप्लीट. ट्रस्ट हमको मोदी गवर्नमेंट में नहीं चाहिए, हमको इस देश की संवैधानिक संस्थाओं में चाहिए. हमको तो कभी भी नरेंद्र मोदी में ट्रस्ट नहीं है और न रहेगा, क्योंकि उनकी विचारधारा ही तरीका है, उनकी विचारधारा ही तोड़ने की है. हमारी एकजुटता की बात है. कम से कम एक देश में इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ऐसा हुआ करता था जिसपे आप ट्रस्ट करके वोट करते थे. आज तो बात ये हो रही है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया को कुछ कह दो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी बिलबिला जाती है, उसको तुरंत जवाब देना पड़ता है. अरे हम आपसे तो सवाल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप क्यों एक दूसरे को बैकिंग कर रहे हैं?
किस सवाल का
इसलिए शक
जवाब
पैदा
सुप्रीम
होता है।
कोर्ट में नहीं
और जब
दिया
तक
गया
ये
मेरी
शक
समझ में
रहेगा,
नहीं आ रहा,
तब तक
पर
लोग
सिद्धार्थ
क्या
यादव
कहेंगे?
प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
Navika ji, I think he has made it very clear. They don't want to trust the government. They don't want to trust the Prime Minister of our country. I think there's not much expectation from them as well. But at least trust the institutions of our country. When Indian armed forces would do a surgical strike, you would be the first ones to stand in the line and say, proof दिखाओ भैया, हमको विश्वास नहीं है. When election commission is doing something, you will be like, नहीं पक्का ही गलत कर रहे होंगे. When the Supreme Court, the Honorable Apex Court will come out and say that when you win an election, then you rejoice. When you lose an election, then election commission is at fault. This can't go on. Then you don't trust the election commission also. What is this convenience की politics that the opposition has chosen from past 11 years?
नविका जी, let me
जो
tell you.
अच्छा लगेगा उस पर हम अच्छा कहेंगे, जो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा उसको सबको खराब बोलेंगे. This is the problem. When you take our institutions so lightly and when you try to malign their credibility amongst the people, this is not the job of the opposition. Try and understand that. And when you say कि लोगों का ट्रस्ट खत्म हो गया है, I say this with utmost responsibility, नविका जी, लोगों का ट्रस्ट नहीं खत्म हुआ है. आप ही का ट्रस्ट गड़बड़ है. आप लोगों के बीच में जाकर के यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल योर फेक स्टोरी, यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल योर false story, but the people are not buying it. The people are not believing what you are saying. The people stand with the institutions of our country and they know what's happening is right. But you ask, what is the problem of the BJP? Arey, we don't have any problem. You go and do anything. But after every election, once you lose the election, you start and question the institutions of our country.
Keep shifting the
You start to question
goalposts.
the
And keep shifting the goalposts. Ashutosh ji, you want to rebut again? I'll give you 20 seconds.
नविका, ये डेफिनेट नहीं, बिल्कुल मैं कह रहा हूं किस प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने तुरंत इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया से बातें शिफ्ट करके इंडियन आर्मी पे लेके गए. कब हुआ है इंडियन आर्मी पे समाजवादी पार्टी या इंडिया अलायंस ने कोई सवाल उठाया है? हमने सवाल उठाया है जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सरकार के द्वारा चलाई गई संस्थाएं हैं. जैसे इस समय इलेक्शन कमीशन है, कभी ईडी है, कभी सीबीआई है, कभी एसटीएफ है. आप वॉशिंग मशीन के बारे में सब कुछ जानते हैं. क्यों नहीं ट्रस्ट होगा? ट्रस्ट के इश्यूज आपने पैदा किए हैं इस देश में. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के ऊपर
I'm sorry, Dr. Ashutosh Verma. I beg to differ there. On various occasions, members of the India Alliance have questioned for proof of surgical strikes. They have asked what was the destruction during the Balakot strikes. You have asked for how many of our aircraft were destroyed in the Operation Sindoor. तो ये तो आप रहने दीजिए कि आपने कभी कोई सवाल नहीं उठाया, ये आप रहने दीजिए.